Guys, our Islamic communication assignment is due this week. Have you finished it yet?
Chill, bro. ML first.
Hey, I'm not stuck either. I have many things to do.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, same with me.
Guys, if you keep procrastinating, the work only pile up.
Chill lah.
I cannot focus. I play a game lah. I will call her back later.
Shah is sitting alone in the mosque after class. Aiman, Akil and Nakib notice him and walk over.
Shah, why are you sitting here alone? You don't look okay. Shah, look at this. Even the Prophet Muhammad SAW sought Allah's forgiveness every single day, even though he was free from sin. The Prophet said, Ya ayuhan nas tubu ilallahi wastaghfiruh fa inni atubu fi yaumil mi'atil marrah. O people, repent to Allah and seek His forgiveness, for indeed I repent to Him 100 times a day. Sahih Muslim.
If the Prophet ﷺ made istighfar 100 times every day, then we need it even more. Okay?
Okay, Shah. And then, Allah doesn't promise that all our problems will disappear overnight. But He promised forgiveness, peace of heart, and guidance for those who sincerely return to Him.
Okay, I understand now. I have been focused too much on my problem and forgetting to rely on Allah. استغفر الله العظيم الذي لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم وأتوب إليه. استغفر الله العظيم الذي لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم وأتوب إليه. استغفر الله.
As they remember Allah and constantly sought His forgiveness, they discover that istighfar is not just words spoken by the tongue. It is the beginning of a positive change in the heart in a life.
Okay, excellent presentation. Well done, everyone.
I used to think istighfar only for who committed major sin. Now I know it is a cure for her. Allah's door of forgiveness is always open for those who sincerely return to Him.
Don't wait until life is perfect before turning back to Allah. Start with just one simple phrase.